Hi! Good evening, Mother. Para ni sa imo, yung
Ayan,
request mo.
Yes, andito na naman yung Capital Flag TV na makukulit.
Para ni sa imo, Mother. Mother.
Nagagandahan at nagugwapuhan.
Si Mama na napili.
Siyempre may special guest kami si J-Pop TV. Ayan
Hello guys!
Yan po nag-promise sa likod.
Yeah.
Nag-iingay siya.
Nag-iingay. Nakulit.
Uy!
Makulit.
Uy! Tumahimik ka nga dyan. Saan ka ba galing, ha?
Sa nanay ko!
Ay, nanay daw.
So ayan, shoutout po sa lahat. At siyempre, pakipollow po ang kanyang page na J-Pop TV. At
Hello,
siyempre,
guys.
sama nyo na ang Kapnot Vlog TV 2.0 and then Kapnot Vlog TV.
And also, don't you mong kalimutan.
May request yung si Mother.
Yes, request ni Mother.
Yes, for the song You,
Made Me Live Again.
by Janet Basco.
Yes. Mother, magano ka naman magpa-milk tea ka naman.
Yeah.
Mahingi
Oh,
kami.
syempre, sasabihan ko.
Yan.
Ayan, ma'am. Ayan, si ma'am nag-comment yun sa akin sa live ko. So, ayan, shoutout po sa inyo
Milk tea,
dyan.
please.
So, ayan. Go na tayo. So, para sa awiting, You Made Me Live Again.
Yes.
Sana all.
Capital Flag TV milk tea.
Para ni sa imo, Mother. Para ni sa imo, Ma. I was down and out, feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my own. I was astray. You showed me the way. Now I finally found my home in you. Para sa iyo, Ma. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on.
Ano, may lamok?
You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. You're always there to lend a helping hand. When good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made it right. You made days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own.
Enjoy na enjoy siya sa pagpap.
Now look at me, you're such a different. Back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again. 'Cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again.
Ayan, shoutout sa
Ayan, Ma. Nasunod na ang gusto mo, Ma.
Yung mother.
Mother.
So, may maingay lang po sa likod. Ayan. Thank you so much!
Thank you.
Bye-bye, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.